Welcome to this Photoshop tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to remove the background from any image quickly and easily. Select Object Selection tool and then go to the top menu and click on Select Subject. Photoshop will automatically detect the main subject in your image. Then click Mask icon at the bottom. Once the subject is selected, click on the Select and Mask button in the top toolbar. Change view mode into Overlay and opacity 100%. Now select Refine Edge Brush tool and paint around the edges. Now set output settings to decontaminate colors and output to new layer with Layer Mask, and click OK and you're done. The background is now removed. If this video helped you, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching.